January 2025, we are reaching out to local stakeholders and community members for support. Participating in gymnastic competition requires not only the dedication and hard work but also appropriate attire that allows athletes to perform to their fullest potential. We are looking to acquire new costumes that will represent our team well and inspire our gymnasts to achieve their best performance. We would be incredibly grateful for any support you could provide, whether it be in the form of a donation or sponsorship towards the cost of our gymnastics costume. Our contribution will help our team to not only look our best but also feel confident as we compete against other talented gymnasts in other municipality. Our contribution will help our team to make a significant difference in our gymnast performance and confidence. We are confident that with your support, our team will be able to represent our municipality proudly in the upcoming competition. We look forward to your positive response and we are grateful for any assistance you can provide. Truly yours, signed by Marlyu Jane Obrano, MJGC President, Roy Pudos, MJGC Vice President. Thank you for listening. Kani nga event, importante kay ni sa ako, kay maon ni ako ang deal. Dako kay salamat sa imong pagtabang aning ako ang sports din niya sa amo ang costumes. Thank you.